When I move this new layer around, the surrounding background is very apparent, and there is no way to hide it, as you can see. You can remove this background by using the Magic Eraser tool. Just right-click on the Eraser tool and choose Magic Eraser. Now with the Magic Eraser, click on the background of the top layer. Make sure that the tolerance is neither too high, nor too low. A tolerance of 100 will delete any shade, meaning it will tolerate anything. A tolerance of 0 will only delete the shade you happen to click on, and nothing more. That would sometimes mean just 1 pixel, which does not help. In this case, 32 works fine.